So I get this question a lot when people ask me how many videos should they upload to start seeing some success with their search-based YouTube automation channel. Now, by success, I mean like $1,000 per month, $2,000, $3,000 per month. That to most people is success with a search-based channel. But I always tell them, you can upload 1,000 videos and you can get no results, whereas another channel can upload 1,000 videos and they get great results. So it doesn't really only come down to the fact that you uploaded a lot of videos. It comes down to the fact that you did good keyword research alongside that volume of uploads that you did. Okay, so let's break this down. So let's just say that you start your brand new search-based channel. You don't buy a pre-monetized channel. You don't have an existing channel. You start a brand new YouTube channel. And let's just say this is month number 1. Okay. In month number 1, let's just say you do 150 videos on your channel. Okay. Now, your main goal with your channel at this stage would be to reach monetization. So with 150 videos, let's just say maybe that you get 5K views, 5 to 10K views per month with those 150 uploads. But then you get to month number 2, okay? Then you get to month number 2, and then maybe you do another 150 videos. So now you have 300 videos on your channel, and let's just say maybe that some of them started to rank and now you're getting 15K views, and this is per month. Okay, this is going to be per month. So you see how it grows, and this comes down to the fact that you also did good keyword research. It doesn't matter if you upload 150 videos or 300 videos. If you don't actually do good keyword research, it's not going to matter, and these videos are just going to be a waste. Okay, so 300 videos isn't going to get you much results. Like 15K views every 30 days, that's pretty good, but we want to get to 500K, a million, and stuff like that. So you have to keep uploading, and now you may be in, okay, so you have to keep uploading, and then you get to month 6. Okay, let's say by month 6 you finally hit the 1,000 videos mark. Okay, now the 1,000 videos mark is a good mark to hit, because you could be getting anywhere from 75K to 150K views on your channel, if you did like average keyword research. Now, if you're not the best at keyword research, this is probably the results you're going to get. Now, if you did really good keyword research and your videos are really starting to rank, you could get more like 300K views per month with those 1,000 videos. But this 1,000 videos, chances are it's not going to get you 300K. You're probably going to need closer to 1,600 to 1,800 to reach that 300K right there. So I think my camera's covering it. Okay, so 1,600 videos will get you 300K views per month, and by this stage you are going to be monetized. And with 300,000, let's just do that calculation. Okay, so you get 300,000 views a month. You divide that by 1,000 and you multiply that by an RPM. These days it's around $2 for the social media apps or gaming or whatever you're doing. So 2, so there you've got $600 every single month. Okay, so that's great. Now you may reach that point, and then you may just continue what you're doing when it comes to your YouTube channel. But what you actually need to do is you need to analyze to get to the next level, to go from $600 per month to like $2,000 per month. You can do the same thing, but you can get there much quicker if you actually analyze your results. Okay, so let's just say you got let me just put it here. Let's say by the time that you uploaded 1,800 videos, and you follow the strategies that you learn here, you get like 400K views per month. Okay, so what you need to do actually with these 1,800 videos is you need to analyze them. Okay, and you do that by, let's just go into this channel right here. You go into your analytics. And then what you do is you go here and you click on see more under your real-time views, and then you see your whole list of videos, and you want to pay attention to the top five or top 8, top 10 videos that you see right there. Okay, and you want to analyze what is working. So if your top 3 results are all related to Snapchat, or they're all related to TikTok, what you actually want to do is double down on those topics. So if it was like a year ago that you did the topic how to add a comment on a TikTok, you want to go ahead and make the 2026 version of that video. If you notice, this one is how to add an overlay on CapCut. What you want to do is go how to add an overlay on CapCut mobile. Okay, and you want to do a spin-off video, and the more spin-off videos that you can actually do, so the more spin-off videos that you actually can do, that's going to result in more views. Okay, you're going to get more views because those topics that you uploaded previously, your channel has a track record with those topics. And if you upload spin-offs, you have the authority to rank for those already. You're going to get instant rankings and you're going to get instant views with those topics. So don't just go from 1,800 videos to 2,500 without actually analyzing your topics, okay? Because the analyzing is going to allow you to get, let's just say you get 100 extra really high quality topics, okay? 100 of them. You get 100 really high quality topics, and those end up ranking really high in the search results. And instead of going to 2,500 videos and then maybe getting 500k views, just a 100k jump, okay, what you actually do is you go more like to 650k views with your channel, and there you start seeing some really nice results with your channel. You're going to have a very nice and steady graph, and you're going to get some really nice consistent income with your channel. So that's what you need to do, analyze. I did this back in the day and it really worked out really nicely to get me some good results. So analyzing your topics is going to allow you to stand out from the crowd and double down and really capture that that gap in the market. So you get a high supply, a high demand and low supply. You fill in that gap with your video and you get a lot of views. Okay, you or don't forget about that. And then it's basically just comes down to repeating that process. So now you've got 2,500 videos, and by the way, this can take 1 to 2 years to get to that point. But let's just say now you're on year 3 and you've repeated that a few times, and now you have 4,000 videos. Once you reach 4,000 videos, you should be getting let's just say 850k to 1 million views every single month. Okay, some channels do much better than this. They get 2 million views, they get 1.8 million views, but I'm talking about averages here. This is about the average. 4,000 videos, about 1 million views a month. As with all the updates that YouTube does, with all the changes that everything's made to YouTube, this is pretty much what you can expect. 1 million to maybe 1.4 million with 4,000 videos. And then you add that 3,000 to $4,000 every single month. Okay, so that's what you can expect, and that's how you get there. You upload a lot, but you have to focus. The most important thing here is to focus on the topics, because that's what's going to make or break your channel when it comes to doing search-based YouTube. Some channels upload 1,000 videos, they don't get results. Other channels upload 500 videos, they surpass that channel in views, revenue, and everything like that. It all comes down to topics plus volume. Okay, it's like a formula. You have to do very good topics, and you have to do a lot of them. So if you have the topic research down and you're really good at topic research, then what you want to do is you want to up your volume. Okay, if you're doing 5 videos a day, do 10 videos. If you're doing 10 videos a day, do 15. I wouldn't go more than 20 new videos on your channel every single day. Some people do 30. That's also fine, but that's like the limit right there. 20 to 30 videos. Most people will do anywhere from 5 to 15 videos every single day on their channel, and that's how they get views. That's how they get results with their channel. So when people ask me, how do you get views on your channel, how many videos do you have to upload to see those good results, and in a like a 1 to 2 year period, I would say anywhere from 1,000 to 4,000 videos. Okay, and you have to focus on the topics, and you're going to have to do good volume, like I mentioned, to be able to get there. Now, that's a lot I've just covered in one video. If you want to learn how to start a search-based channel and get to 1 million views a month and a full-time income, click the first link in the video description. It'll take you to my school community. It'll take you to this page right here. What you can do is you can click on start free trial. I've got a 7 days free trial for you, so you can test out the community fully, and then it's just going to be $7 per month. Okay, inside the community, if I just go to the classroom, you have direct access to me. You have weekly live calls, beginner's guide course, viral niches, the main course, which is the search mastery course. This is a full, I think it's like 5-hour long course that's going to teach you everything about search-based YouTube, how to get started, how to scale channels, how to outsource, everything like that. Then we got the weekly call recordings. If you're not able to attend the live calls, I put them in there. Then you get all my best free training without ads, and then you got one-on-one coaching. Don't forget about direct DM support with me, and you get the actual community aspect right here, where people are posting and getting direct responses to their actual questions. So that's all available for you at the first link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the inside.